So, hi dear Virgo, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal you versus them energy check in for all the Virgo, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. This is like I'm going to tap into your energies and then the energy attached to you and where this connection is heading. Okay, so it is a timeless reading. Whenever you're going to watch this video, it's going to be valid for you guys. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the potential to change your life for the rest of your life if you want to apply these. Okay, anyways, leave it. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. I'm fucking tired today. I'm in Osho Himalayas for the next 21 days or maybe next 1.5 months. So meditations, a lot of meditation, a lot of healing, so a lot of work. So back to back it's happening. Virgo. On your side, we have the Page of Wands, the Devil, the King of Pentacles, bottom of the deck, the Chariot. You're in this energy of wanting to be with someone, even if there's a toxic situation, even if there's a third party kind of a dynamic between you and somebody. You are trying your best to make something work out and keep it cool, keep it casual as much as you can from your side. At the same time, you are in this energy of I have to move on from this energy. What is happening, Virgo? You are in this energy of trying to keep something or someone around you, even if it is toxic, even if it is giving you a lot of pain, a lot of agony, a lot of nothing out of this. You are trying to fix something that you know is not fixable at all. At the same time, you're trying to move on from the situation because you think it's not going to work out. You are in this energy of I want it but I don't want it. So I want it as a friend maybe, but I want it as a lover. But I want it because we have a history together. We guys had good times together, so I can't just let this go completely out of my life, out of my system. So basically I want it but I don't want it. I want it on my own terms and condition. You want to control the situation like a remote control, like you want this to work out the way you want it to work out. So it's like if you are going to say sit, they should sit. If you're going to say sleep, they should sleep. If they You just basically want to control the situation like a remote control. And you are giving me this excuse that we have a good history together, we had a good connection together, so I just can't let it go just like that. So even though I want to let it go, even though I want to move on, I can't. I still want it. This is the energy that you are giving me from your side. I know I can fix it. By what? How? By controlling it, by making it like a game, video game. No, you can't, Virgo. Let's see the energy attached to you, what they are up to. Okay, the energy attached to you, they have made up their mind. According to them, they are doing the right thing by making up their mind that all they want is a long-term partnership, happily ever after kind of a deal, a marriage, commitment, a family. They want it all with you, or don't want anything at all with you. It's like all or nothing kind of a deal from this person's side. For some of you, you proposed to this person for marriage or something, and they were not ready to give it to you because they don't want to be in this kind of dynamic with you. So they might be already married, they might be already committed, or they might be having their eyes on somebody else, or they might be wanting to get married or settled by the wish of their family, by the will of their family. Take it how it resonates with you, but according to them, they are making the right choice. They are doing the justice in the situation by making up their mind of leaving the situation behind between you and them and heading towards marriage, commitment, long-term partnership, and or something that their family is trying to give them, trying to you know connect them with. Okay. And according to them, they have already given so much time, so much energy, and so much of resources to the situation between you and them. They can't give it anymore to you, so it's a goodbye from their side. And according to them, they are doing the right thing, they are making the right choice because they can't be in this toxic kind of energy anymore. Even if you want to keep them with you for the rest of your life, they can't be in this situation anymore for the reason that just I just gave you. I just gave you, right? Let's see for the connection what we have, where it is going. No, nowhere. I think this connection is stuck. Both of you are not seeing each other eye to eye. Both of you are being very, very practical and very logical about the situation. There are lots of obstacles and challenges in the situation, and the situation is stuck. The situation is completely stuck. So I think both of you are moving in totally two different directions right now, focusing on money, job, career, and individual stability, individual financial growth and success. And this energy of not knowing where this connection can go, both of you are kind of detaching yourself from each other and trying to focus on your individual lives as of now. There's a lot of blockage in the situation. There's a lot of blockages in the situation between you and this person. Third parties, cheatings, lying, manipulations, family issues, and whatnot. So both of you are trying to get your shit together individually, and for this situation, the universe is also saying that the situation right now is not going anywhere. So it's better to stay away from each other and be practical about the situation, be logical about the situation instead of being emotional about the situation and ruining your time, wasting your time or energy onto something that's not working out for you anymore. It's better to focus on yourself. It's better to focus on your self healing, self love, self care, and at least for the timing, let it go and let the time decide, let the universe decide for you what is good and what is bad for you, okay, for the coming future. So this is what I have for you. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.